Good morning, my dear children. In this session, we are going to see Maths exercise 3.8. First sum, find the principal solution and the general solution of first subdivision. We have sin theta is equal to minus 1 by root 2. Now let's see the solution. We have to find the value of theta, okay, in terms of principal solution and in terms of general solution. Given sin theta is equal to minus 1 divided by root 2. You know that 1 by root 2, that is sin 45 degree. You know that sin 45 is 1 divided by root 2. So instead of 1 by root 2, we can write sin 45. And when you write 45 degree in terms of radians, we can write it as pi by 4. So let us write sin theta is equal to minus sin 45 degree, that is sin pi by 4. Sin theta is equal to, bring this minus inside the bracket, sin of minus pi by 4. And in the place of theta, we have minus pi by 4. Theta is equal to, we have minus pi by 4. We are going to find the principal solution. The principal solution must be belong to the closed interval minus pi by 2, pi by 2. So sin theta ki this is principal domain. So namma find out panna value. This is minus 45 degree. Minus pi by 2 means it is minus 90 degree. And this is 90 degree. Minus 45 degree lies between the interval. So this is the principal solution of the given question. So which is the principal solution? And next we are going to find the general solution. We have a formula. This is in terms of sin theta. Here in equation 1, we have got sin theta is equal to sin of minus pi by 4. We know that in general solution, if sin theta is equal to sin alpha, then theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 the whole power n into alpha. From equation 1, in the place of alpha, we have minus pi by 4. So alpha, we have alpha is equal to minus pi by 4. So substitute in this equation. Theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 the whole power n, and in the place of alpha, you just substitute its value. Minus pi by 4. So this is said to be the general solution of the given equation. So this is said to be what? The general solution. Next, let us see second subdivision. Let us see second subdivision. We have cot theta is equal to root 3. Cot theta is equal to root 3. Solution. Again we have to find the principal solution and general solution of the given equation. Cot theta is equal to root 3. So given cot theta, which is equal to root 3. We can write cot theta as 1 by tan theta is equal to root 3. That is, we can write tan theta, which is equal to, bring tan theta here and root 3 in the denominator. So we have tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. And you know that the value of tan 30 is 1 divided by root 3. In terms of radians, when you write 30 degree, it will be pi by 6. So we can write tan theta, which is equal to tan pi by 6. So in the place of theta, we have got pi by 6. So we can write theta is equal to pi by 6. And we have to see that whether the value of theta pi by 6 belongs to the principal domain. What is the principal domain for tan theta? It is open interval minus pi by 2, pi by 2, open interval. So pi by 6 is nothing but 30 degree. and this is minus 90 degree and this is 90 degree. 30 degree lies in between the given interval. Okay, so this is the principal solution of the given equation. Next we have to find the general solution. Next we have to find the general solution for cot theta is equal to root 3. You know the formula. If tan theta is equal to tan alpha, then theta, which is equal to n pi plus alpha, where n belongs to z. The previous sum also you have to write n belongs to z. And now make this one as equation 1. In the place of theta we have pi by 6. So from equation 1 we have alpha is equal to pi by 6. Now substitute in this equation. Theta is equal to n pi plus alpha. So we can write it as pi by 6. Where n belongs to z. N belongs to z. First subdivision you write it as n belongs to z. So this is said to be the general solution. Next we shall see third subdivision. In third subdivision, the question is tan theta is equal to minus 1 by root 3. Tan theta, which is equal to minus 1 divided by root 3. Now let's see the solution. So what is given? Tan theta is equal to minus 1 divided by root 3. And you know that 1 by root 3, that is tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. This you know very well. And 30 degree can be written in terms of radians as pi by 6. So we can write this as tan theta is equal to minus tan pi by 6. And minus tan pi by 6 can be written as tan of minus pi by 6. In the left hand side we have tan theta. Okay, so name this as equation 1. Now come back. In the place of theta we have minus pi by 6. So let us write theta is equal to minus pi by 6. And this is in terms of we have minus 30 degree. The principal domain for the function, for the trigonometric function tan theta is the open interval minus pi by 2, pi by 2. This is minus 90 degree and this is plus 90 degree. Minus 30 degree lies in between the given interval. Therefore, we say that this is the principal solution. And next here we have in equation 1 we have in terms of tan theta is equal to tan alpha. You know the formula. If tan theta is equal to tan alpha, then theta is equal to n pi plus alpha, where n belongs to z. Here in the place of theta we have minus pi by 6. So write alpha is equal to minus pi by 6. And here we substitute alpha is equal to minus pi by 6. So last sum madri, second subdivision madri irukku model. Okay, theta is equal to n pi plus, substitute here in the place of alpha, substitute minus pi by 6, where n belongs to z, which is the general solution. Thank you children.